Pickle fish looks like us.
Super death.
New record. Yay! That's scrapping. We're scrapping that and restarting it later. Oh, brilliant.
Hello. I've got a motorhome.
I've got a motorhome.
I've got a motorhome. Hey, fuck yeah.
Fuck yeah.
Oh yeah. Start the battle revolution.
Like literally a minute ago, we walked out to the front drive. Guess what was there? A 1978 Winnebago. Freaking motorhome. Awesome sauce.
And if you want to try to come to the place to steal it, I will give you the address.
Shut up.
No, I will not tell. I will tell them the address. The address
Get out.
is... Okay, and we're back. We had a little discussion.
That's not gonna cut out.
Yeah, it is.
As long as I can find a way to edit it out, I am boss. You say whatever you want.
Say whatever I want. I could say Eevee is being a total moron.
Yes, please.
Well, you are.
Would you like a taco with that?
No. I want a Patuki.
Patuki, yes. I'll pick your dead Pokemon. I don't care. I don't care if I lose this match, to be honest.
Yeah.
I'm happy. Who to pick?
I don't even know who I picked first.
You, and you.
No, seriously, I really don't know who my first Pokemon is.
You just pushed buttons at random.
Yeah, pretty much.
Oh, sweet magma. Fireballs everywhere. My tokens.
Can I quote you on Facebook? Ancient but awesome, kind of like that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, you picked Garchomp.
Oh, and you picked Bronzong.
Bronzong. Oh, whoops, did not. I forget I was supposed to hold it like this, not this. I just wrong button. I think I used Earthquake. Nom 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 nom. Or what did I pick? Yeah, Earthquake.
EQ.
Probably the worst idea. I wanted to use Trick Room. It's pretty appropriate places for Earthquake.
Yeah.
Massive damage. Kitties, stop fighting. Lolcats. I know exactly what I'm going to do.
Wait, doesn't Bronzong have Levitate?
Yeah.
That's it. I was about to EQ, but didn't remember that.
Boom! Explosion annihilates everything. And I've got a Trick Room up, and all my Pokemon are super slow. I have a Shuckle on my team. Does that say anything? Yes.
No. Trick Room with Carbonite.
Yeah. Carbonite would also be good here. Especially since it's, I already used him on another team, so I can't really, unless I can take him off and put him on this team, just because he kind of works.
This Pokemon needs to take a shit.
Say what?
Swampert is sent out.
He's a dirty boy. He needs to take a shit.
Oh, why'd you do that?
Because I can.
What's this? The Colosseum.
Announcer so dumb.
What's this?
What's
The
this?
Colosseum.
Shuckle uses its move.
Shuckle buckles his butt. What? Dot what?
Is that okay?
Watch as I resist this.
I did not use Waterfall.
Crashing blow. That dealt some massive damage.
I did not use Waterfall.
What do you think you used?
Stealth Rock.
Well, both corners still have a
Are you holding it like this?
Who's
Or this?
going to take
I don't know. I was actually holding it like this.
Waterfall's a better idea anyway.
Yeah, I wanted Stealth Rock for...
The move failed.
Well, you should know why. Just in case.
Well,
For any other... Whenever you switch out.
yeah. I don't think any of my Pokemon are weak to Stealth Roll, necessarily.
Doesn't matter.
It's
Just-
free damage, yeah. Which is exactly why I did it.
Now I'm using Waterfall again.
Derp. What I did.
Right?
So the summation of that turn was I just went to sleep.
Flow. Such amazing power.
It's like you could have used Spore on me, I used Splash. Nothing would have changed. No, that's
Well, both corners still have a chance.
That really
to
wasn't
win
worth
this. What
a
kind of developments
damn.
can we expect to see next? A fierce blow. The red corner barely holds on.
What'd you use, Rest?
No, it was what I wanted it to do, but
Its
it missed.
attack missed.
Well, let's see. If I switch it out,
Which corner will make
you'll hit Waterfall, but I want to switch it back in, it will die. So there's really no point. Shuckle's pretty much fucked. Yeah.
Besides the Stealth Rock.
Yeah, Stealth Rock would have killed it. It would do like a fourth of its health. So there really wasn't any choice there. Yeah.
It couldn't take it. It's down.
I remember beating some guy on Wi-Fi with that thing. It really pissed him off because I was facing like a Lugia and a Zapdos at the same time.
Mm-hmm.
It was funny. Oh, why not you? You're my second.
Okay, dude. I'm at 17,200.
Yeah.
My opponent's at 1,600. Yeah, he's supposed to have effect damage.
That's stupid. You're still playing that.
Yeah. I'm having fun.
So if you're anything aware of what I just am doing.
Oh, it's my turn?
Yeah, it's your turn. Going first.
Oh. That thing. Okay.
My FknTrooper.
I can barely see it in the background.
Yeah. Dish Exeggutor. Dish Exeggutor. You staying?
Yeah.
A smashing blow. That dealt some massive damage.
Trick Room.
Oh, your Pokemon in the Trick Room?
Nope, just two of them.
And that's the other one?
Both
Yep.
corners still have a chance to win this. Who's going to take the glory?
Energy Ball, you.
Starts to attack.
Dude, we won. Me and my partner won with 18,800.
Nice. That's so stupid. You would like doubled your life points by the end of the match.
Basically.
7 minutes.
No.
What?
Double, then some.
And then some.
Because double we got 16,000.
Yeah. Okay, switch.
So what the frick?
Fuck the what? Fuck the what?
I don't know.
Who are you switching on?
I am saving that.
Saving who?
This match.
Oh, okay.
A sandstorm is brewing in the Coliseum.
Do I stay in or
The number
no?
of remaining Pokemon is an even 50-50. Both sides
Oh, D-Dance.
still have a
T-Tar.
chance to win.
I trained that thing. I really liked it. So much for Focus Sash. So if he's gonna do shit, Energy Ball probably won't kill. Wait, hold on. Debating if I should just Energy Ball or what. Are you gonna do anything?
Oh, what?
Dude,
Sorry.
The trainers have given
brilliant.
I'm sorry. I'm trying to,
Oh, by the way. Boom. See how much this does. Nah, not as much as I was hoping.
It was an amazing attack, sacrificing itself like that, but it was the only one who went down.
Stonehenge. If I energy balled and that missed, I probably should have. Wow, I'm in a bad spot.
Spiritomb is...
Well, no, I don't care. Spiritomb.
Well, both corners still have a chance to win this. What kind of developments can we expect to see next?
Will-O-Wisp. Blah. That kind of neutralizes you.
Just got burned.
Earthquake.
It hits.
Alright, took that like a boss. My Pokemon have set up.
Tyranitar suffers from its burn. It's not going to be able to withstand much more. Tyranitar seems to be.
I'm dead right here, anyways.
This could get dangerous.
I'm not even paying attention. As you can tell. Huh.
Wait, hold on. Why don't I just do that?
Psychic?
No. It's immune to Psychic. What do you think I was gonna do?
Psychic.
Because I was gonna waste a turn. No, I'm gonna let this burn take its toll. And anytime the critical now. Is it critical time?
I'm sorry, I'm not paying attention. I was trying to, I had to delete stuff so I could save that match.
Yeah. And there goes the Twisted Dimensions.
Well, both corners still have a chance to win this. What kind of developments can we expect
Durr.
to see next? It hits.
Taking hits really well.
It is.
That Will-O-Wisp is
The red
good
corner
job.
keeps gaining stats.
Letting the burn take its toll. I just wish the Sandstorm wasn't up so I could actually benefit from leftovers. It got dead by a burn.
It's down due to damage from its burn.
It burned to death.
You must die in a fire. Commentary sucks right now, but whatever. Espeon's dead if he switches in.
Arceus is sent out.
Yeah.
Oh, you use Stealth Rock?
Yeah, I use Stealth
The
Rock.
Sandstorm
Didn't
is
notice
raging in
that.
the Coliseum. I wonder how this is going to affect the battle.
You're probably not gonna like what I did.
Not really. At least I'm not using a physical attack.
What?
At least I'm not using physical attacks.
Spiritomb
Spiritomb's kind of
just
dead.
got burned.
Blurred.
Hit, but this is not a favorable matchup.
I made that thing to be a wall. I don't expect it to be anything amazing.
Spiritomb restored its health.
Yeah, it's gonna lose because of the burn.
Not really. I'm gonna lose because I'm gonna die from stuff.
Has become somewhat unsettling.
I would have probably done light screen now.
Judgment has been dealt.
Judgment!
It's down.
Sounds like Leroy! Yeah.
I just had to do Judgment.
Good old judge.
Arceus is the judge of all.
Well, let's see if I can do anything with you.
Torkoal is sent out.
Ow.
Well, both
I mean,
corners
Will-O-Wisp,
still have
Thunder
a
King,
chance to win this. Who's going to take the glory?
I'm being cheap.
Arceus starts to attack.
I guess I resist it.
Shot.
Yeah.
It's my only hope to be cheap as fuck.
And wait, Sandstorm doesn't do nothing either.
Throws.
Oh, yeah, it does.
Oh, it does?
Yeah. Pure fire. I can see it being a fire rock or fire steel, though. Kinda wish they did. Hi, Tessa! Oh, you're so cute. Nice. Good idea. I pretty much lost this.
Pretty much. Oh, I just put that up just in time, actually.
Yeah. That alright.
What?
That's funny. It's not like it's gonna impede your offense.
Torkoal is
But it's extra damage,
losing its health.
Yeah.
This is getting dangerous.
Burns a burn.
Well,
When you
both
play with
corners
fire,
still
you
have a
tend to
chance
get
win
burned.
this. Who's going to take the glory?
I was hoping that would miss because of double team.
Judgment has been dealt.
I will always amuse at that.
Couldn't take it. It's
I
down.
wish you had better special defense, Torkoal. I blew up two of my Pokemon on purpose, so.
Arceus suffers from its burn.
Oh, really? Who are you again? I forgot.
Cresselia
Oh, Cresselia. Hi, Cresselia! What is up, man?
The battle has reached its final stage.
No chance of killing that unless the burn helps. a lot. Pink scarf. I got a pink scarf on it.
Isn't that for beauty?
Yeah. Ooh, I have an idea. Actually, I have an interesting idea. Actually, a very funny idea. I'm gonna do this. I really want to do this. I'm gonna do it first. Take it. All right. Let's see what happens. What? How did it fail? That makes no sense. I'm sorry, but what? It doesn't work on multi-type? I was thinking of skill swapping with multi-type, so you would turn back into a normal type and not get Judgment Stab. Fuck it.
I'm being cheap.
Yeah, you're being super cheap.
Nicely done. The red corner faces up.
Barely holds on.
Yeah, but Sandstorm, so.
I wish that would work on multi-type. Wow, that did nothing. I didn't even get the boost. Use the boost to get through. Did that just kill me?
Yeah. You died in this Sandstorm.
Oh, wait, no.
No.
I think I just barely lived. Yep. 3 health! 3 health! 3 health! 3 health! Fuck, I'm using Ice Beam, I don't care. Really?
Yeah.
Just to be gay about it.
Yep.
Oh, screw you. I have to kill you, though. I wish I could kill you. Let me cool down that burn for you. Can you take burn damage first? What? Oh, light's going off. Finally. Whatever.
If that
That ended up 3-2, right?
Yeah.
3-1 me, 2-1 for you.
If that if that would not have killed you,
I would have.
the burn would have.
I would have been like, haha, funny.
Yeah. Finally got through with that.
That's like a 17-minute battle. That's what you get for when you're screwing with.
Anyways, people.